Following the Weinstein case very closely, and he joins us now from Los Angeles. Mr. Ramani, welcome to BBC News. What do you make of this verdict and the long days of deliberation that led up to it?
Well, David, it's a mixed verdict, and really it's a win for the defense, even though the district attorney was able to secure conviction with respect to one victim. There was another victim that the jury just discredited her testimony entirely and bought the defense story that the sexual conduct never happened. And with respect to the two other victims, the jury hung, including the wife of California Governor Gavin Newsom, Jennifer Newsom, and the jury bought the defense argument that this was transactional sex.
This trial also saw some grueling cross-examination of some of the women who came forward to accuse Harvey Weinstein of sexual offences. Is that sort of grueling cross-examination, though, likely to prove counterproductive in that it could prevent other women in similar cases from coming forward and giving evidence?
Well, it does have a chilling effect. Sexual assault is one of the most underreported crimes, and women do not want to relive their trauma in a very public way. Let's not forget that the defense in this case said that Jennifer Newsom, if she wasn't married to the California governor, would be just like any other Hollywood bimbo, and this was just casting couch conduct. A lot of women are hesitant to come forward. They don't want to deal with this type of cross-examination and the public scrutiny that is involved when you testify in a very high-profile public trial like this.
And given that Harvey Weinstein had already been convicted, of course, by a court in New York, why did it take the jury so long? What, 9+ days of deliberation?
That's surprising because everyone in the entire world knows that Harvey Weinstein is a convicted sex offender and he's serving 23 years in a New York State prison. So a lot of legal analysts, including myself, thought that it would be a mere formality here. The fact that the jury deliberated so long that they acquitted on one victim, hung on others, was a surprise there, and it shows how effective the defense's presentation was in this case.
Now, Harvey Weinstein is appealing his conviction in New York, but will this verdict in the case in Los Angeles ensure that he'll be spending many years now in jail?
Yes, he's going to die in prison. There's not really a good basis to appeal the New York conviction. The defense in that case is arguing that the state of New York presented too many other prior bad acts witnesses. And now that he's been convicted here and looking at another potential 24-year sentence, this all but guarantees that Harvey Weinstein will never see the light of day.
Mr. Ramani, thank you very much. We must leave it there, I'm afraid, but thank you.